S-A-M-A-N-T-S-E-S.
It's the semantics.
You'll find crochet tutorials.
It's the semantics.
For your favorite superheroes.
It's the semantics.
Make your awesome car and home decor.
It's the semantics.
American English doesn't have to be a bore.
It's the semantics.
With semantics, antics, and more.
It's the semantics.
Hi guys, it's Samantha Goodheart with thesemantics.com and thesemantics.etsy.com. Today I want to talk about the Hamlin Woodshop, which is a shop located in Hamlin, New York that opened in 2012. A few months ago I was invited to be a vendor at this dog event later in the year in September here in New Hampshire. And I realized that it's my first event and I don't really have many of the things that you would need at an event, such as a tabletop business card holder, a tent, and all that. So first on my list was business card holder, and I decided to scour the deep, dark pages of Etsy to find this at, like, I don't know, it was sometime late at night. So I was on Etsy, and I started looking, and I finally found a couple that I really liked. One of them was vintage, and the other was handmade. The vintage one was really cool looking, but it didn't really have a whole lot of information, and it didn't show a picture of what it would look like with the business cards in it, so I didn't know how much would be blocking it or what. So I gave up on that one. And then the handmade one, I decided to look at this person's website, and it turns out that they were selling a bunch of copyrighted stuff that I guarantee they don't have licenses to sell. So I decided immediately to just close that because that's not my cup of tea. So I continued to search on Etsy, and I was almost at the point where I was just going to drive to Staples and get one of those stupid little black business card holders that are like $2. But then I found one. With the cost of shipping, it would have been a little more than I was willing to spend, but I decided to get it anyway, and I'm really glad that I did. So I ordered it right away, and I had it in my hands exactly 1 week later. Now, according to the website, the guys who run this shop, Terry and Augie, they actually have full-time jobs, so that's pretty impressive to get this thing done in a matter of days and then have it shipped to me. So when I opened the package, there was this amazing wood smell, which for some reason I just love. And they also had the packing slip and business card, which is pretty simple, but you know, it's memorable. You can tell that it's theirs. And then I got to the business card holder, and I knew that I made the right choice. It's a little bigger than I had expected, but that is actually really good because I'm able to fit a lot more business cards than I thought I would. There are actually 50 right here. I could fit more, as you can see, but I'm weird. I like to have it at like a milestone number. So you could fit a lot in there, and these are actually thick cards. So if you have thinner ones, you could definitely fit more in there. So I mentioned that I make dog tags, but the ones that I really love to make are these bone-shaped ones. And I actually didn't notice it until now, but the business card holder actually has 2 paw prints on it, just like my signature dog tags, which have 2 paw prints at the top. So that is definitely perfect for me. And it has a smooth finish, and also on the back, it has their little logo, which is pretty cute. These guys definitely know what they're doing, and they're making quality products themselves. They have a handful of awesome products for pet owners like myself, but they also offer other types of home decor and business card holders, like this guitar-shaped holder. How cool is that? I mean, if my shop had more to do with music, I would definitely get it, but it doesn't, so bone-shaped holder it is. But I still think that this bone-shaped one is pretty freaking cool. All in all, I had a great experience with the shop, and I think that you would too. They also do custom requests, so if you want something specialized, then send them a message, and I'm sure they'll make it happen because they're pretty cool. And be sure to like and follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest by searching for the Hamlin Woodshop. You can also sign up for their newsletter by heading over to their blog website, hamlinwoodshop.com. So, as always, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, take care.
S-A-M-A-N-T-I-C-S. Oh boy. That's fun. Let's see. Let's do that one more time.